Hi and welcome to today's video. Today we will be unboxing and reviewing the DOMS wax crayons. This one here is a 12 shade set. You can see all the shades over here, and it also says there is a free silver crayon inside this pack. So this is their jumbo set, so I'm assuming that each crayon is pretty thick. And let's see if there are more details about it. This is for 50 rupees that I had bought it. So let's open the pack and see how the crayons look. It has a tray inside. This is nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So they have 13 colors like it said outside with the silver. So it has the names of all of the colors on it. Like there is the glitter silver, yellow, light peach, orange, pink, deep red, light green, deep green. And then there's the light blue, deep blue, violet, brown and black. So let me show you how each colors come out. So this is how it is. They have a very nice packaging. The color on it matches the crayon exactly, which is a very good touch. So it's really easy to like pick it up and then start coloring. The size of it is also quite nice. It's really good and handy to hold. So what we'll do first is we'll create the swatches, and then we'll create two cute elephants who are dancing, and then we'll try and color them with these crayons. Let's now create the swatches of these colors. I'm going to start with the silver because I'm quite excited to see how this will come. It's very handy to use. It says glitter silver. There's some residue which comes in most of the wax crayons, so let's try removing that. And it doesn't smudge too much, but I can see a couple of glitters. So let me bring this closer, and you can see there's a slight glitter. There is a little bit of shine, so that's cute. It's nice. There's no white in this set. Okay, this is the yellow, and now I'm coming to the light peach. Moving on to the orange. Very handy, really easy to use them and to hold them. When you go light, it will be like this in most of the wax crayons. It will look like it's not filled, but this is really good if you want to layer them. So it also comes when, you know, this is where I put extra pressure and this is where I put less pressure. Oh, this is good. The red looks pretty vibrant. In most of the wax crayons which are lower priced, you will not see a vibrant red. You will see it like a little pinkish. That's the light green. Here is the darker one. I really like how the colors are so far. Makes it so easy to hold and fill in. The dark blue, the violet. So the violet looks a little different. I think only the dark green matches the color exactly, and probably the yellow. Maybe a little bit of the peach, but then the dark green is exact. The rest are a little different in terms of the packaging, but it's still quite easy to pick up. So I like how they've worked on their packaging. This is the brown, and next is the last color, which is the black. This is very bright and nice. It's a strong color. So these are the 13 colors which come in this set. What we're going to do right now is we're going to draw very cute little elephants which are going to be dancing, and then we will try and fill the colors with these wax crayons. I'm going to make each elephant in a different color, so I think that way it will look very cute. You can draw this along with me. Even if you don't have these colors, you can just use any other colors that you have, and you can just have fun with the drawing today. So have one elephant dancing this way. We'll put the ear behind. It's like they're doing the same step. Okay, so let's assume these are probably, you know, maybe you can make some glasses for them. and maybe this one has a flower. So I'm going to make the elephants in different colors. One of it is going to be in light blue. The other one may be in green. So I'm not applying a lot of pressure. I want first a light layer only, and then we'll apply a little bit of pressure to get some shading on it. So I'm going to just zoom in so you can check how the colors are. So it's pretty smooth. It's really handy to use them. So I think if you're looking to get crayons where you're going to be using them very often, then it is good. It's a good idea to buy these sizes. Okay, so we'll move on to the second one where I'm going to add like a green color. It's always good to go lighter when you're using any new art supply, because you don't know how it's going to be reacting on your paper with the different kinds of pressure that you're going to apply. So you can always build on it. So apply little pressure as and when required. So this light green is really light, which is why I am going a little free flow in terms of applying the shade. Zooming out a little bit now, and using some darker green to add some depth. Use a little bit of dark blue to add depth to this elephant, but very less because the colors are pretty strong here. If you want to merge it, we'll try adding the light blue next to it and see if they merge. It does merge quite well, so I think it's really nice. So you don't really have to also do as light as me. You can even go with a darker shade for the base first and use a dark blue for adding in details. Let's add a flower. I'll add a red flower. Okay. And for the ground, so this is how my swatch sheet is, and this is how my drawing has come. I hope you enjoyed today's video and it was useful for you to understand whether these colors will work for you. If you're new here, do consider subscribing to my channel and hit the bell icon so you can get notifications every time I put up a new video. See you for the next one.